Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, whether it's an economic downturn, higher taxes, or an unexpected emergency, there could always be some sort of financial storm brewing on the horizon. So, Calvin, how do you help people navigate these types of financial storms?
Sure, Jen. So lots of things can happen that we don't expect, right? COVID-19 happened, and we don't know what the next crisis would be. Even 2008, that was something that nobody really forecasted. So when we're building out a comprehensive written retirement income plan, which only about 20% of Americans have, it's important that we have money in different places to handle these different needs, depending on the tax environment in the future. Tax rates are historically low right now. Debts and deficits in the country are historically high. So there is a likelihood that you could be retiring in a higher tax environment, and that could be one of the storms that you're about to face.
Right. And because we can't put these things on the calendar, we don't know what will happen next. It's important to act sooner rather than later, and you have some resources to help us get started.
I do. My team and I have created this retirement roadmap kit. This has all the tools you're going to need because there's a window of opportunity right now where tax rates are at historic lows, and you can do some real strategic planning to make sure you can minimize the effect of those financial storms in the future. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit can help you put together a comprehensive retirement plan to minimize the effects of these financial storms.
That's right. We can't prevent them, but we can navigate around them. You can just call, text, or go online to get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. We'll see you next time.